Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a simple Anya from SpyxFamily. To get started, we're going to go in the middle of the page and draw a circle first for the head. Once you're done with that, we're going to simplify the body by just changing it into a triangle, like so. And then to move on, we're going to add the two little feet on either side, and let's give her a little pose. So we're just gonna go out and down on both sides. Once you're done with that step, let's go move over to our Sharpie phase, and then let's draw in the details. We're going to start with the cute eyes. We're going to do very big oval eyes on either side. Like so. Let's add in a little highlight. And a black center. With that done, let's just draw in the little eyelash on the top, and then we're just going to add in a few little eyelashes. Once you're done with the eyes, let's add in a little nose. It's just going to be a dot and a big smile in the middle. With that done, now let's move over to the hair. For the hair, from the center, we're going to draw in the first set of bangs. It's going to draw down right here, and another bang right here, and we're just going to do two more on either side. We're going to go right here, 1, 2 on either side. And her hair goes down and it covers her face a little bit, so we're going to do that starting from around this point right here. Let's go down to her chin, roughly around this point. So we're going to go down to that point and go down a little further for the first part of the hair. And we're going to draw the outside of her face on the right side and then connect a few points together. We're going to go around this part of the bangs and go all the way down to match the length of this side of the hair. With the two sides done, let's draw in the chin area. The chin, we're just going to go down here to that point, and we're going to go up and connect it to the hair. From this point, we're going to continue on the hair on the right, but before that, I'm going to establish the top of her head. Let's say the hair is here, the eyes are here. Let's go, the top of the head is around this point right here. And we're going to go a little off the page, and we're just going to add in the little tuft of hair on the top. And we're going to draw two lines on either side, like so. We're going to go down and match to this point. So we're going to go down here, all the way down to match to this point. Same thing on this side, we're gonna go match to this point. Actually, we're gonna go down to like around here, because we're gonna draw in some hair details. That, it's almost like an egg shape. Her hair, let's add some details of the hair before we move on. And then let's do the rest of her hair, because it's gonna go out like a triangle. We're gonna continue to put more hair in. Go out, curve, and then connect it in. And on this side, we're gonna go flare up curve up. And then we're gonna do in more bangs. Or not bangs, these are bottom of her hair, so her short hair on the side. Bangs are around this point. With the hair done, we're gonna add in her little 2 horn details. So it's gonna be above the eye around this point. We're gonna go out to here and back down, following the curvature of the face almost. And we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Match the height of each area so you have a more even horn detail. And we draw these little circles, details. And that's looking really cute. And now for the dress and the body, we're going to simplify things, so we're just going to do 2 lines for the neck and then a V shape for the collar. With that done, we're going to go down, up, and do these rectangular shapes for the collar. And we're going to frame it with this rectangle. She has a little button right here, these 2 bow lines. And for the dress, we're going to go all the way down to where we started right here. I'm going to actually make it a curve. And we're going to connect the 2 sides to that. And then for the gold detail, we're going to draw a curve on the bottom. And we're going to do another curve on the bottom. And for the details, we're just going to draw these rainbow shapes. Very simple. And then let's draw a little pair in the middle for the detail. And for the dress detail, we're just going to add these little dots down to indicate the little gold trim detail. And for the arms, we're going to just draw in a circle for each hand. And we're going to draw these rectangular arms. And let's just add a little fold on both sides and a cuff on each side. Since the body is a little taller, we're going to actually make her legs a little longer. We're going to go all the way down to this point now, so she doesn't look like her legs got cut off. That would look kind of weird. So we're going to go down on both sides, like so. And we're going to draw a simple pair of shoes, just a top like right here, a little bottom, and that's all you really need. Let's color in a little bit of that. And let's just clean up a little bit of the areas. And let's give her a little expression. Let's give her little eyebrows right there. And maybe 2 lines indicating the bottom of her eyes. It's looking really cute. And all we need to do is to erase the lines. Let me find my eraser rope. Erase your pencil lines. And there you have it, Anya from SpyxFamily. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.